Good morning, students. Today we are going to study semi-consonants. Till now you did not study semi-consonants. So all of you keep note, pencil, eraser, everything with you and take important notes. What is semi-consonants? Semi-consonants means in Tamil you have already learned மெய் எழுத்துக்கள். For example, in Tamil, this is ka. If you put a dot over this ka, this is ik. Like that, in Hindi, this is ka. Half letter. See here, listen carefully. If you stop up to this half letter should be considered as semi-consonants. Listen carefully. This is ka, full ka. This is if in here I stopped this letter up to this one. So this is ik. This is ka and this is ik. You should not continue. You should stop up to this one. If you continue this up to this one, it will become ka. So this is ka and this is ik. I think it is clear up to you. Then second ka. See here, this is ka. Here we have to take or remove this line, full line. Listen here. You have to remove this line. If you remove this line, this is ka, this is ka, this is ka, like that. This is ga, ga. Here also we have to remove this line. So this is ga and this is ig. This is ga. This is ig. So for these three letters, we have to remove the last line. But in nga, there is no such a line like this. So what you have to do is, you have to put a small dot and a cross line. This is called ing. Say ka, ik, ka, ik, ga, ig, ga, ig, nga, ing. Next line, cha. This is, for this also you have to remove this last line. This is ich. If you take this line, this is cha. Tamil letter cha and this is ich. Cha, ich. This is cha. This is cha. Here there is no such a full line. So what I should do is, what we should do is, you have to put a dot and small cross line. This is cha and this is ich. Like that. This is ja. This is ij. Wherever the line is here, you have to remove this line. This is ja and this is ij. This is ja. Here also there is the last. Wherever line comes at last, you have to remove that line. If you remove that line, it becomes its semi-consonants. Ja, ij, nya. This is inj. You have to remove this line and you have to put. This is nya and this is inj. Again I am telling, this is cha, ich, cha, ich, ja, ij, ja, ij, nya, inj. Next line, this is ta. Here there is no full line at last. So you have to put a small dot and put a cross line. ta, it, ta, it, da, id, da, id, na. Here there is the last long line, so you have to remove. This is in. Once again I am repeating. Ta, it, ta, it, da, id, da, id, na, in. First, once again I am telling, ka, for ka you have to stop this line up to this one. Here and all you have to take. You have to remove this long line. But for all letters, you have to put this sleeping line. This is called sirreka. Ka, ik, ga, ig, ga, ig, nga, ing, cha, ich, cha, ich, ja, ij, nya, inj, nya, inj, ta, it, ta, it, da, id, da, id, na, in. Next, you are going to study for other lines. Next, ta. See here, listen carefully. This is ta and this is it. Ta, it. You have to remove this line. Ta, it. See here, this is the. The means, listen, you should sleeping line. This line should not come here. Since you are removing this line, you should not put this line here. Understood? Once again I am repeating. See here, you have to put this line only for this one. Here no line should come. Since no line should not come here, you should not put this line here. This is ta, it. This is the. The, id. You have to put a small. This is the. For this line also, no sleeping line should not come. So you have to put the, id, na. You have to remove this line. Na, in. Everything except this lines, everything you have to put. Ta, it, the, it, da, id, the, id, na, in. Next, pa. You have to take this line. Pa, yip. Up to this one you have to stop it. Pa, yip. Fur. See here, here you have to put for like this and stopped up to this one. Pa, if, then ba. See here, ba. Ba. You have to remove this line alone. Ba, yib. This is ba. Fourth ba. BHA ba. Here you have to take off this line. And no sleeping line should come here. So you should not put line. This line here. This is ma. This is yim. Pa, yip. Fa, if. Ba, yib. Ba, yib. Ma, yim. Next, ya. This is ya. Ya, you have to remove this line. Ya, you have to remove this line. This is ra. Ra only it is come differently. Listen carefully. If you put a small c, that is ir. Ra, ir. Ra, ir. This is la. You have to take this line. This is il. Ya, yi. Ra, ir. La, il. This is va. Va, you have to remove this line. Va, yiv. Va, yiv. Again I am ta, yit. Th, yit. Da, yid. The, id. Na, in. Pa, ip. F, f. Ba, yib. Ba, yib. Ma, yim. Ya, yi. Ra, yir. La, il. Va, yiv. Last only one line. This is sha. Sha, you have to remove this line. Sha, ish. This is sha. Ish. Take off this line. This is sa. This is is. You have to take off this line. Ha. Ha, you have to put like this. Sha, ish, sha, is, sa, is, ha, ih. This is today's homework. Write one time, say and write. Next year, I think semi-consonants is clear for you. Next we are going to study Baragadi. You have already studied Baragadi in first standard. Today we are once again revising, giving revision. That is also today's homework. Listen, this is ka. Ka, one line put means this is ka. Say ka, ka. This is ka. Ka this side means ki. Ka this side means ki. Ki, ki. Ka, one indirect C means ku. Ka, down one curve means ku. Ka, ka. Ki, ki. Ku, ku. This is same as like as Tamil, but here it is changing after this. Ka, if you put a direct C, this is kr. Then ka, one curve means k. One curve, up one curve, k. Then ka, up two curves means kai. K, kai. Then ka, one line and one curve. Wherever you are putting the curve, for last one you have to put the curve. Ko, this is cow. Ka, one line and two curves, cow. Then ka, up one dot come, ka, side two dots, kaha. Once again I am repeating, listen. Ka, ka. Ki, ki. Ku, ku. Kr. Ka, one curve, k. Ka, two curves, kai. Ka, one line and one curve, ko. Ka, one line and two curves, cow. Kam, kaha. For that, second Baragadi, second k. Ka. Ka, one line, ka. Ka, listen. Here too, you should start from here. Ki. Whatever you are writing, you have to start from the last letter, whether it is up or down. Ku, ki. Then ka, this is ki. Ka, one put an indirect, that is uki matra, ku. Then ka, one curve, ku. Then ka, put a direct C, kr. Then ka, put a curve over, k. Listen, wherever you have to put the for last one, k. Kai also you have to put for the last one two curves. You should not put curve here. K, kai. Then ko, ka, one line and one curve. Ko. Ka, one line and two curves. Cow. Ka, up one dot. Come. Ka, side two dots. Kaha. Say ka. Kiki. Cuckoo. Kru. Ke. Kai. Ko. Cow. Come. Kaha. Next, g. Ga. Ga. Here one line. So another one line you have to put. Gi. Where you have to start means from here up to this one it should go up and come down. Gi. Then gi. Then ga. One indirect C. Gu. Ga. Down one curve. Gu. Ga. One direct C. Gr. Then ga. Up one curve. Ge. Ga. Up two curves. Gai. Then ga. One line and one curve. Go. Ga. One line and two curves. Go. Ga. Up one dot. Gum. Up. Ga. Ha. Side two dots. Gaha. Ga. Giggi. Gugu. Gru. Ge. Gai. Go. Gau. Gum. Gaha. Next, fourth ga. Say ga. Ga. Gi. Gi. Gu. Gu. Gr. Ga. One curve. Ge. Ga. Two curves. Gai. Ga. One line and one curve. Go. Ga. One line and two curves. Go. Ga. Gum. Gaha. Then last one nga is not such. The letter often won't come, but nga. Nga. Ni. Ni. Ngu. Ngu. Ngru. Nga. Nge. Ngai. Nga. One line and one curve. Ngo. Then nga. Ngau. Ngam. Ngaha. I think this is clear up to this one. Once again I am telling from first to last. Say ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, kr, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha, k, k, ki, ki, ku, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha, gaga, giggi, gugu, gru, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gaha, gaga, giggi, gugu, gru, ge, gai, go, gau, gum, gaha, ngam, nga, ngi, ngu, ngru, nge, ngai, ngo, ngau, ngam, ngaha. That's all. This is also today's homework. Semi-consonants and Bharagadi. For these 5 letters, you have to write one time and learn well.